Let's bring in Bill Baruch, president of Blue Line Capital. Bill, good morning. You say we've got to own mega tech, and I would imagine that everyone's got a slice of it in their portfolio, but you prefer Google over Apple. Why?
That's right. And I own both. So make no mistake there. But what I'm looking at is we're seeing, I think, a little divergence. You have Apple that implemented this new app tracking capability where you can turn it off in the iOS. I think you've seen some forward priced in ad spending that's going to weigh down Apple, say, next year. So when I look at Alphabet, I don't see that being an issue. And Alphabet, in many ways, is sort of the Berkshire Hathaway of tech. Now, so I think with a forward PE of both about 30, I think you're going to see Alphabet outperform over the next 12 months.
All right, let's move on. You say probably should short gold. Why?
Listen, I am short gold for a trade, but I'm looking at about 1820 to 1830, where the 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average converging there. Now, the back end of that is I expect 10-year yields to rise from this level. From the August low in yields, we've given back about half of that, saying buoyed around that 112 low last week. I think the yields can rise from here. I do think we're going to see some extra growth in the back half of next year. Now, long term, I am long gold. I own physical gold. I own gold in portfolios long term. But I think at these levels, we had a washout in silver last week, and silver is a bit more attractive to own at $25, say, relative to gold at $1,800. Now, if gold gets down to $1,770, I want to back the truck up, and I want to flip long on that trade as well, holding long-term longs on that.
Okay, well, I'm fascinated to ask you about crypto. What's your take on that?
Listen, I was on your show about 2 weeks ago saying 32,000 is where I'm going to get my first tranche of Bitcoin in and Ethereum in as well. I own them. I don't have as much as I would like, as I'm still 2/3 on the sidelines. There's some good resistance up here, 42,500. I think we can get there in Bitcoin. 46,500 from there would be the next resistance. So I'm treating this as a trade. I don't think the low overall is in. I think we have a few months of some choppiness.
But very quickly, if Amazon, based on the rumor and speculation, does start to accept Bitcoin, it's a game changer, isn't it?
I agree. It sets a tone for the long term. And that's why I'd say 90% of investors are in Bitcoin right now, because they expect this adoption to take place over that, intermediate term. And it really shows a sign that it's begun.
Very good stuff. Yeah. Great stuff. Bill Baruch, so much information. We appreciate it. Thank you very much, Bill.